shout out to Bazala Amina Chera, and a big shout out to Bazala Holly Dolfa and Keketo Konu or Kunu. Bazala Amina Chera, you asked me to tutorial you how to do a high definition omelette. Well, Bazala, you are not lost here. Eh? Just welcome to my high definition kitchen. So you need your frying pan here. Eh? You can take the big or the small, is depending on how big you want your omelette. So I'm using Vitelma. It's like a margarine. It's like this one is having the omega-3 or it's very good for my zero pack. You see, so you just put in J. You see? You must not, you see the pot is already hot, that's why I was taking it off the stove. So you must not be stingy with the putting, eh? Voila, and then in the meantime, you cut your ingredients, eh? So you put your bad attitude if you have, all your attitude, in fact, which people don't like about you, you put it in the omelette. You understand? You put everything which is bad because you don't need it. You understand? So you must fry it so that when you eat here, you're gonna eat a very good attitude and just a very good, a beautiful woman. You understand? So you cut it like this. You must not be scared. If you are black, you cut like this. If you are white, you can cut yourself. So you must be very careful. You put on the plate if you are white, and then you cut like this. You understand? You cut like this, but because today I want to be black, I cut like how black people cut. You see, it's not a problem. You see? And then I can just fix it like the white people. You understand? It's not a problem. And then even this one, if you want to make it too beautiful, the pepper, you understand? You see? And then you just cut it. You understand? Me, I don't like the pepper that is too fried or too grilled or whatever. I want it raw. So you see here it has dissolved. So you put basil. Voila. You mix it, yeah. You see, you mix it. And then Bazala, this is the chili sauce that I prepared myself. If you want to know how I prepared it, let me know in the comment space and I will show you and tutorial you how to do your own chilies at home. So I use it just to spice my omelette. You understand? So I take, it's very hot, eh? I put, and then I put again because you don't have to be stingy, you understand? And I like it when you eat and then you cry at the same time. You take your eggs, you just break it, you break its virginity, you put it in the bowl, you understand? And then there's this white thing I don't like, this, you remove it, you put in the thing, you see? I don't like an egg which is pregnant, you see? And then you break again the other one. You see? And then you take the white thing, you see? And then you throw it. Voila. And then there's another one that is left. I don't like it. Okay, but this one is okay. I can handle it. Because it's stubborn, you see? Anyway, it's too small. And then me, I like my eggs a bit creamy. I don't know if it's the name. So I put this milk, you see? I put milk and like this, it's become very creamy, and very nice. You see? And then you beat the egg, You beat the egg because the virginity must go away. You beat it. Don't be scared. You must just beat it, Beat. You beat it. So you beat, when you beat like this, your bad attitude must go. Because you don't need it as a woman, All your bad thoughts must go. You beat them. You beat. You understand? And then at the same time, you must cook your attitude away because you want to have a good one, you understand? So you must keep cooking your attitude, and then this side you beat it. You understand? You beat it. If you feel like it's not beaten enough, you keep on beating it. Because it must change, As a woman, you must have a good attitude. And you must think good about other people, you understand? So you beat your bad attitude. You understand? Voila. You must also beat your small mind, If you have a small mind as a woman, a closed mind, you must beat this small mind because it must open. You understand? You beat it. You beat. Voila. And then this side, now you can mix it. You understand? Now you mix it. Because I love my thing, my peppers bit raw, so I don't fry it too much and take it on and take the virginity away for the thing, for the pepper. It's only for the egg that I take away the virginity, and then you put, so you put it like this. Voila. Like this, Bazala, And then you bring down the fire, Because you want the fire to burn slowly and burn this bad attitude away. And cook you a very good attitude, you understand? And then you make the small hole here. You understand? You just make the small hole. Because you want all of it to be good and cooked and fried. You understand? And then you make like this because it must not get attached. You understand? You don't have to make attachments for the pan and for the omelette. So you do like this, Voila. And then we're gonna do a change of address, So your omelette is changing the address. So you put it here. You take it to Molenbeek because we're gonna do a persecution, for the terrorists, So your omelette goes to Molenbeek, and then you take it, you put it back in the pan, So to put it back, is a skill, You must be very careful. It's a skill. So you see, when it's like here, it's very beautiful. You can already eat, But I want it to be very fried and cooked on this side. So you take it, you put it. You see? It's only the good, the intelligent people who can do the omelette like this one, Because it's beautiful, Like this one, if your mother-in-law or your father-in-law comes, and you do the omelette like this one, they will force your boyfriend to marry you. You understand? So you must be very clever, but don't forget, you attitude here so that people can love you, you understand? And people can want to associate themselves with you. But with a bad attitude, I don't like women with a bad attitude. At least I like women with a Brazilian hair and eyelashes, big ones, but attitude I don't like. Anyway, it's not my problem. I'm just saying, I'm tutorialing you how to do the good omelette. You must just learn and tutorial yourself. Because it's things like this can help you to get a husband. You understand? You must not neglect the things like this. Because they're saying the direction to get into the man's wallet is through his stomach. So you must not mix these direction things. You understand, Bazana? You must do the omelette in a good way. You see? Look, it's beautiful, eh? It's beautiful. And then you just do like this one, like so. Because it's already finished, in fact. Because when you do it too much, you will overdo things, and then your man will run away and think that you are too perfect. You understand? So you must not exaggerate things. When you see already is the good color like this, it's already good. You understand? If you want to know how I got my offshore Panama makeup, don't be scared. Just see me next week, because I will be tutorialing you how I got this beautiful look, which is an undercover look. You understand, Bomzala? So the tutorial is finished. Eh? We just do like this, Bomzala. It's finished. And then you switch off the stove. Huh? It's finished. It's finished. Okay, Bazara, I mean that chair. Go and do your own omelette and just charm your boyfriend or your husband or your in-laws. I don't know, but just go and do your omelette and enjoy it. I can't wait to eat it. Okay, Bazara, ciao.